Hey everyone, Nick Ogilvy here with Turfed Out, and boy, what a crazy week. We have another record-breaking week with Turf Product Solutions. Another container of brooms arrived today, and Chase got that unloaded and it's sitting at our warehouse ready to be bought, right? Amazon, Shopify, the word of mouth is getting out there. Thanks to everyone who's bought one, who's gave a review, and making us number one in the United States for artificial turf maintenance. You don't know me. My name is Nick Ogilvy, and been in the turf business for over 20 years. Wrote the book on it, Installing and Understanding Artificial Turf, which you can get on Amazon. But for a long time, there was nothing out there that could maintain the artificial turf correctly and keep it looking good as the day you bought it. And that's when we took a regular power broom head and put it onto a machine that's battery operated, so no more cords getting drug around or anything like that. So this week, I've got an opportunity to see a facility that the turf power sweep's being used in. And this facility is a top-notch facility. You see it in the background here. It's the TGL SoFi Center there in West Palm Beach, and it's amazing. And I hope everyone listening and gets to go and experience this. Tiger and Rory, they've really done their homework on this, and it's done really, really well. I tell people it's like if hockey fans and golf fans got together, and this is it. It was some of the stuff that the fans were yelling out. It made me kind of think of Happy Gilmore. I laughed at it, but at the same time, it's a good, wholesome family fun. It was awesome. The competition was great. Getting to see the stars of the PGA up close and personal was it's amazing. So, shout out to Tanner Kaufman. He's the guy that makes this possible and that keeps this place running in tip-top shape. This guy has this place looking absolutely amazing. So I kind of want to go through this real quick and show you the facility itself. So this here is the main facility that you see here, and then all the LED screens come alive. It's amazing. But all this right here is artificial turf, except at 3 hitting areas. And this is kind of one of those things that's really, really neat. It's got your fairway, your tee box area, and it's got sand, and it's got rough. And it's truly amazing. And that's actually, natural in its all aspects. And then you've got the golf green, which can rotate. It turns. Yes, you heard me right. It actually moves and turns. And then it also can do different undulations, which is impressive in itself. So it's a really unique center. But the thing that they were having trouble with is finding a broom that would keep the turf looking great match after match. And, golf is a purist sport, and it needs to be top notch all the time, clean, etc. And so they needed something that could really do it, and they just hadn't found the right tool yet that could do it until now. And now they're using the turf power sweep, and it's making a huge difference. So I just want to show, this is what it looks like after it's clean. And like you said, you can see the left, there's the sand, and then you got your tee box there, your hitting area, and then you've got your rough, which it's really neat. And so this is before it gets clean. You can see here where all the divots, the grass, etc., gets flung onto the artificial turf, gets embedded down in the fibers, and there's got to be a tool that can take that out of the fibers, make it look really good, and time after time after time. And now you're not having cords drug back and forth. You've actually got a real broom head that's designed for artificial turf that's going to do the job. And so you can say to the right where it's been groomed, and then to the left, obviously you can see all the debris. So let me get you here and show you this. So there's the turf power sweep, and then you got everything to the right that's not taken care of yet, and everything to the left that is. So you can see the big difference that it is making. So it saved Tanner half the time that he would have been using with other machines, plus not having to, where am I going to plug it in at? Dragging cords across. Oh, it got, it hits it drags across the sand and then it gets into the turf, or it gets caught up on something, um, you know, one of the TrackMan radars or whatever, right? So this is just a better solution. So I just kind of want to get on here and show you that that it does its job, and it does its job really well. And if you haven't purchased a turf power sweep and you have artificial turf, man, you're doing your artificial turf a disservice. Get the turf power sweep today. This thing it makes your turf look just like it did when the day it was installed. So if you have any questions, you have any comments, please drop them below. I'm going to be the one answering them. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day.